Hi everyone, welcome back to Hometime XYZ. It's Natasha. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for coming back. I appreciate your time. Now guys, today I'm outside as you can see, and if you listen, you hear the birds. You swear I live in the bushes somewhere, right? Anywho, it's Canada Day, so if you're from Canada or in Canada, happy Canada Day. If you're not, welcome and greetings, right? So guys, yesterday I slaved in the kitchen. I did the keto pecan cake. I did keto bread because like today we're gonna have a barbecue and everything. And then the day came, and this morning the kids went out, and then just stuff happened, and then you just don't feel like doing it anymore. With all that work, like barbecue chicken, barbecue pork, whatever. I'm like over it, so I'm like, I'm just gonna bring out the air fryer because I was gonna use the barbecue grill. So I'm like, I'm just gonna bring out the air fryer. We're gonna do some hot dog and buns and call it George. And at the end of the day, the only thing I'll have to do is take out the bottom part of the air fryer, empty out the oil, wash it, and put it back away. Unlike the grill, washing it, scrubbing it, whatever, packaging it back away, right? So yeah, the grill is there, but I'm just gonna bring out the air fryer. We have two. I'm gonna bring out two. One just for the meat, one for the bread. Everybody can get a burger, get their condiments. Call it George. Happy Canada Day to them. So I just want to show you that's the versatility of the air fryer. Is really, it can go anywhere. So I'm in my backyard, woohoo! And as long as you have a plug, if not, extension works, right? Sometimes we just want to relax, right? We don't want to have to worry about the ups and downs and too much work. So, happy Canada Day if you're in Canada. Greetings to everyone else. And let me show you what I'm going to do today.